From R Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. We are here today cleaning these tiles. These are a kind of sandstone tile, very porous, which is why the mould grows beautifully on these tiles. They're great for when they're first laid, but they're not so great after a while. These are particularly bad, as you can see how deep the mold has gone. You can see that here. Now just bear in mind, if you do have these tiles and you want them clean, don't let them go this far. Once they go deep, once the mold goes deep, it's hard even with chemical to prevent that. So I'm going to be cleaning up this area as well, and I'll show you the end results at the end. We're going to be soft washing this. You cannot hit this stone at all with pressure. It just basically flakes, as you can see here where someone has done that before. It's a layered stone and it'll just rip off. So not a good idea. We apply a mold killer to these pavers and you'll see the results. It come up beautiful. And we are now looking at the finished results of this tile clean. Actually come up magnificent. Have a look through here. If you remember what this was like, this was very, very heavy mold through here. These tiles are really, this is the gorgeous thing about it. Once surfaces are clean, the amount of light now reflected here, it feels so much more spacious. So I'm very happy with it. All of this edging here was shockingly bad. Yeah. So, and you just can't expect it to come back like new. So, and there's been no damage whatsoever. I'll show you this section here as well. There's been no damage whatsoever to the tiles themselves, so it's all been soft washed, and you can see through here as well. It's just come up really, really beautiful. Very happy with that. If we can help you with a quote, do give us a call, and we'd be I hope you enjoyed the video.